Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape D-Generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the mass airflow sensor fuse, also known as a MAF sensor fuse, is located, stay with us, we'll explain that, guys. If you have problems with the mass airflow sensor, always check that fuse first. We'll explain how to find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. The mass airflow sensor fuse, guys, where you can expect to find it, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is facelifted version, but that's the same generation, it will work for both. You have up to 3 different fuse boxes. Today we're working just one, that's on the passenger side. Open the door, and if you look on the bottom of the glove box underneath, guys, okay, under the dash, look upside down, you'll see one soft carpet liner, attaches with 2 turning knobs, turn them, okay, and remove that carpet liner. Behind it you have the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relay. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, which fuse is for the mass airflow sensor, guys? Okay, very important fuse, by the way. And if you come right here, okay, you can see next to every fuse in the top right corner you have a number that indicates that fuse number, so it makes it really easy to find the one that you need. But the mass airflow sensor fuse, it's known as fuse number 56, and it's that fuse on the very top left corner right here, guys, that you will need to check right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.